Welcome back to this Oxbase Talks. I have my two beautiful girls, my students. One right side is sitting and waiting for her turn to talk actually. Her name is Shivani Kumari. Am I right?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Shivani Priya. And I have my other student mates, Sakshi Kumari. This Shivani Kumari and Sakshi Kumari both are going to talk, and this discussion is with the purpose of their English to improve, plus for you to come up with a video where you can get a chance to listen us. I once again repeat, if you are interested to learn how to speak, am I right, ma'am? Well, if you are interested to learn how to speak, this video is going to be the best one to improve because we need to learn just with the help of practice. And this is going to give you the practice of listening, and then after the video, you can talk with the friends, relatives, and all. If you get any problem, feel free to text me. I must reply you with the answer. I have my student Miss Sakshi Kumari, and I have my other students Miss Priya. Shivani Priya. Shivani Priya, and I'll remember the it's a face, not sorry. I'll remember. I'll delete such videos. Huh? You know now. I'll remember your name now. Shivani Priya and Sakshi Kumari. Better you Shivani Kumari say, no, it's easy for me. Okay, Shivani Priya. So which topic should we discuss? Suggestions by you. I want better we talk teacher and a student joining a coaching actually. Fine. We'll talk today, my dear all audience watching us. Sakshi Kumari will be today a student of 7th class. 7 or 8 class. Sakshi Kumari is a student of 8 class. Shivani Priya is a teacher in her mohalla, right? And she's having small coachings at the home where she's teaching all the students of under matric 10th, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5 from 5 to 10th class. Sakshi is of 8th class, interested to get admission in Shivani Priya coachings. And of course, Shivani Priya, being a teacher, her main job is to teach, and so she will get her admission also. So now, my audience, keep us watching and keep learning. So they are going to start now. I just pass this mic to first Miss Sakshi Kumari. Mic will have it. Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you are she is of course a ma'am, teacher, and you are a student.
Okay.
Mater.
Hello, ma'am.
Speak with the sound.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
It's okay. Give me that. It's okay. No problem. Speak loudly.
Hello. I have to join your coaching.
Repeat.
I have to join your coaching. My name is Sakshi Kumari. I read in class 7th.
तुम मेरी कोचिंग के बारे में कैसे जानी?
How you know about my coaching?
It's a past tense. तुम मेरे कोचिंग के बारे में कैसे जानी? It's a B2.
How had you know?
Madam, B2. It's not a B3.
Oh,
How did?
How did you know about my coaching?
Very good. Repeat.
How did you know about my coaching?
नाम है.
I have my one friend.
Repeat.
I have my one friend. Her name is Anam.
वह आपकी स्टूडेंट है.
She is your student.
Sound.
She is your student.
वह मुझे आपके बारे में बताई.
She told me about you. Okay.
हाँ.
Yes.
अनम मेरी स्टूडेंट है.
Anam is my student.
पिछले महीना ही वह ज्वाइन की है.
Before
वह ज्वाइन की है. It's a case of
she has joined my coaching before month.
पिछले महीना.
Last month.
साक्षी पिछला महीना. Wait. पिछला महीना. Last month. Repeat the sentence.
She
वह मेरी कोचिंग पिछले महीना ही ज्वाइन की है.
She has joined my coaching before last month.
Repeat.
She has joined my coaching last month.
Only. हाँ.
Yes.
वह मुझे बताई कि आप अच्छी टीचर हैं.
She told me that you are good teacher.
वह मुझे कही है कि आप अच्छा पढ़ाती हैं.
She told me that you teach very good.
इसलिए
So
मैं भी चाहती हूँ आप मुझे पढ़ाएं.
I also want that you teach me.
I also want
That you teach me.
Teach me. क्यों नहीं?
Why not?
ये मेरा काम है।
This is my work.
अगर आप चाहती हो मैं आपको पढ़ाऊं तो मैं जरूर पढ़ाऊंगी।
If you want I teach you, then I will teach you. Definitely I will teach you.
I must teach you।
Then
अगर
I
आप
must
चाहती
teach
हैं
you.
मैं आपको पढ़ाऊं, यस।
You want
अगर आप चाहती हैं
if you want I teach you,
मैं
then
जरूर पढ़ाऊंगी।
I must teach you.
Teach you। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
मैम मैं कब से आ जाऊं?
Ma'am, from when can I come?
नो मैम।
From when do I come?
सुपर। रिपीट।
From when do I come?
तुम हो 7th क्लास में।
You are in 7th class.
7th क्लास के लिए 5 बजे शाम में मैं एक नया बैच स्टार्ट की हूँ।
For 7th class, I had started.
Had or have?
I have started a batch in evening at 5 p.m.
अगर तुम इस बैच में आती हो तो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा।
If you come in this batch, then
It will be।
it will be good for you.
Repeat, it will be।
Then it will be good for you.
मैम
Ma'am,
क्या ये बैच नया है?
is this batch new?
Is this new batch?
Is this new batch?
बहुत नया तो नहीं। It's not very new।
It's not very new,
लेकिन
but
हाँ,
but yes,
एक सप्ताह पहले मैं स्टार्ट की हूँ।
I have started just 1 week before.
मैम मेरा एक सप्ताह या क्लास से छूट गया।
Ma'am, but I missed my 1 week class.
मैं ये कैसे कवर करूंगी?
How will I cover this?
इसके लिए तुम्हें टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
Don't take tension about this because I give you extra class.
जो भी तुम्हारा छूटा है मैं तुमको एक्स्ट्रा क्लास में कवर कर दूंगी।
Whichever you missed, I will cover all things.
Giving you extra class।
Giving you extra class.
अगर ये बात है मैम तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
If this is the matter, then I don't have
I
any
don't have
any problem.
तो मैं कब से आ जाऊं?
So from when can do I come?
देखो आज है शनिचर।
See, today is Saturday.
अगर तुम चाहो तो आज भी आ सकती हो।
If you want to come, then you come today also.
You can come।
You can come today also.
नहीं तो
Uh,
otherwise तुम मंडे से 5 बजे आ जाओ।
You come from Monday at 5 p.m. Okay, ma'am.
मैम क्या आप मुझे अपना मंथली फी बताएंगे?
Ma'am, will you tell me about your monthly fee?
हाँ।
Yes. My monthly fee is 1,000.
1,000। My monthly fee is
1,000.
My dear, my monthly fee is not 1,000। My monthly fee in this Oxley Stocks offline class is 1,200 rupees. But with the guarantee, if you are here, you must learn English. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. My students are confirming. Right, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है मैम।
Okay, ma'am.
मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
I don't have any problem.
मैं हर महीने आपको 1,000 रुपया दे दूंगी।
I will give you 1,000 every month.
क्या कोई एडमिशन चार्ज भी है?
Is there any admission charge?
Superb, repeat।
Is there any admission charge?
हाँ।
Yes, there is a 500 admission charge.
ये सिर्फ पहले महीना देना होगा।
This
तुम्हें यह सिर्फ पहला महीना देना है।
you give.
You have to give।
You have to give only this month.
First month।
Only this first month.
तो पहला महीना तुमको 1,500 देना है, उसके बाद हर महीने 1,000।
So you give me first month 1,500 and then after
हर महीना
every month you give me 1,000
only। That's okay, ma'am।
That's okay, ma'am.
क्या मैं अब जा सकती हूँ?
Can I
go
to?
May I go?
May I go now?
जाओ लेकिन
Go, but
तुम किस सब्जेक्ट में कमजोर हो?
in which subject are you weak? Oh, I am weak in science. And only science.
तुम्हारा मैथ कैसा है?
How is your math?
Take this mic and speak।
How is your math? Math is very good.
That's fine।
That's fine.
तुम्हारे सारे सब्जेक्ट अच्छे हो जाएंगे
Your all subject will be fine,
एंड तुम हर एग्जाम में अच्छा करोगे.
and
You
will
will do good
you will do good in all exam,
in all the exams.
in the all the exams.
मैं यही चाहती हूँ.
I also want this.
The same.
The
I
same.
also want the.
I also want the same.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
मैं अब जा रही हूँ.
Now I am going.
Bye.
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 That's great.
Bye.
Okay, great. My dear all audience who are watching us, I just once again remind you that if you are really serious to learn, don't miss my video, especially this video. Plus, I'll upload there the videos separately of the grammar also. And the time I'll teach you grammar, I'll speak in Hindi that you must understand. So if you keep watching such videos, I confirm you, days are not far. You are going to learn how to speak very good English no matter where you are. From wherever you are watching this video, you are going to improve because the main work to learn is to spend your time in the environment of English. And this video is going to create your environment of English actually. So keep watching us. Thank you. Goodbye and take care. Do you have any message to the audience from your side? Yeah. Wait. Any message to the audience?
If you are really liking this video and this video lecture in English, then please join our tuition coaching in on online, and you can get here very good English, and you can be a good English speaker also.
Okay, I mean my student Miss Sakshi is telling that if you are interested to learn how to speak in English, and if you are living nearby Darbhanga or from where you can come easily to join my offline class, you can come because it can be the best for you. But in case if you are far from Darbhanga, you cannot come to my offline class, you can join me online also. I teach at 9 p.m. online. You can have personal discussion with me on my WhatsApp, sending the message. So you can join my online class also. Any message for subscribe, like especially subscribe and all for the new students?
If you learn about a good English,
अगर आप चाहते हो अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे, चुपचाप सब्सक्राइब कर लो.
then subscribe our channel.
Make a full sentence. अगर आप चाहते हो.
If you want you
पहले
learn,
मेरा पूरा हिंदी सुन लो, मैं यहाँ से एडिट कर दूंगा. अगर आप चाहते हो अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोले, चुपचाप साइलेंटली बोलेंगे, चुपचाप सब्सक्राइब कर लो.
if you want to learn about a good English, then silently subscribe our channel. Subscribe this channel.
ये चैनल आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाला है.
This channel is very helpful for you.
That's fine. Thank you, my dear all audience, for watching this video. I'll come up with a new video. Thank you, goodbye, and take care. Bye bye. That's fine.